Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use a ruler to draw lines in photos in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Photos. Now open a photo in which you want to add a line with a ruler. Now click on Edit and then click on this markup icon. Now here you will see a ruler. Click on ruler and you can use any pen, pencil or a highlighter to draw a line. So I will use a pen. You can also adjust its thickness and opacity. So that's how you can draw lines using ruler. So you can see I have drawn two straight lines with the help of this ruler. So after drawing lines, click on Done to save these straight lines. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.